In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate images in Gemini from a prompt. By the end, you'll know how to find Gemini, get set up, write effective prompts, refine the results, and save your final image with confidence. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Gemini. To make this quick and accurate, type Gemini along with terms like image generation or Google Gemini. This helps surface the official tool rather than unrelated results. Take a second to scan the page so you don't click on an ad or a lookalike site. Next, click the official Gemini link. You're looking for a trusted domain and a secure connection, usually indicated by a lock icon near the address bar. Landing on the correct page ensures you have access to the latest features and that your work stays private and safe. If you're new to Gemini, sign up or sign in. Follow the on-screen prompts to create your account and accept any terms. Keep your login details secure and only share the minimum information required. Once you're in, you'll see a text field where you can start crafting your request to generate an image. In the text field, begin your prompt with an action word such as create, generate, or draw. Clear instructions help the model understand your intent from the start. For example, you might say, generate an image of a futuristic city with flying cars and neon lights. Be specific about the subject, setting, and mood. You can also include stylistic cues like photorealistic, watercolor, or isometric, and mention lighting or color themes to guide the look and feel. After Gemini produces the first image, provide follow-up instructions to refine the result. Think of this like an iterative conversation. You could say, make it look more like a watercolor painting, or change the sky to sunset colors. Small, targeted adjustments work best. You can also clarify composition, such as bring the camera lower, add more depth of field, or increase contrast. Each revision helps you move closer to the exact style you want without starting from scratch. When you're happy with the image, hover your mouse over it and click the download icon, which looks like a downward arrow. Choose a folder on your computer and, if helpful, rename the file so it's easy to find later. That's all you need to keep and share your creation. To recap, search for Gemini, open the official link, sign up, craft a clear action-led prompt, refine with follow-ups, and download your image. Pause, replay, and iterate as needed, and you'll quickly build the images you imagine.